I don't want to fight him on the bridge, because if he hits you and knocks you back, that's just auto death. We're about 40 minutes into this video and we've made almost no progress. Come on, guy. You're not sneaking up on me later like last time. Just not having it. We got lucky though. I don't know, maybe being at full health will make a big difference on that guy. Maybe. $17, 16 life gems left. That's right. Well, at least we can clear this area without too much trouble now. But it's still a pain in the ass to go through it over and over again. There we go. Everybody up here. The whip doesn't really even have the range that it looks like it has. Oh, we took some damage. Bloody whip. That one's new. Not really going to check it out. Not really looking to switch up my weapons too much. Although if you guys tell me it's good, I'll try it out. But the only whip I used was the notched one. I was not very happy with it for the most part. So I don't think whips are going to be my thing. Damn it. Misjudged it by a little bit and got hit. Not fair. He like left forward a little bit before his attack. Alright, and sickles, and time to go die to homeboy again up on the bridge. You can tell when these guys are going to do a single swing because the wind-up is longer. They only swing twice when they do the quick swings. Pulling. 1, 2, and here we go for the 100th time. Just be as safe as possible. Keep my shield up at all times. We're just gonna do little pokes. Keep my stamina up. Single hits are fine. That would be easier if he was it was easier to get around him for a back attack. And I mean, it looks like he leaves his back wide open, but then he just kind of swings in on you anyway. Whoops, that was bad. Alright, let's move. Damn it. The worst parts are when you're trying to heal up and he just swings in like that, like the leap and jump. Just gonna keep playing it safe. Pretty free hit after that 3 swings. He leaves himself open just long enough for another one. Okay, or we can miss there. Hey, he's almost half health. We're doing alright. Some stamina here. Just let it go up. Alright, he's less than half health. We're doing good. Hope he doesn't Estus. Is that a thing? Does he do that? That would be terrible. 2 and 3. Awesome. Take a second to heal up. Let's go. Two, three. Almost there. Gotta keep it going. Couple more hits. This is probably the safest way to kill him, but it is really annoying. There we go. I hate you. I hate your guts. No, Shaggy 4D, I will not summon you today. So I'm also pretty sure, now that we've killed him, I'm pretty sure you can just jump over here and, like, kill him with arrows, but he probably holds his shield up, and that seems really kind of annoying. Bone Dust's not useful for us anymore, but that was probably really cool the first time. Is there anything over here? No reason to jump over there, unless there's a wall, but we're just gonna assume there isn't. Okay, so as soon as this boss fight starts, we're gonna need to start running and killing the, not the pyromancers, but the mages that respawn the skeletons, because they can overwhelm us pretty fast. I think the boss is pretty much a one-hit kill, if you get hit by the tires, but we're gonna try our best. That and the boss is kind of a badass. And the horse too, like, you still have to fight the horse afterwards, which, I also don't have experience with that, so this is probably going to be a challenge, I think. Damn it. Ah, we're stuck in this corner already. Well, we need to get over here and heal. But, damn it. These skeletons aren't going to give us a second to heal, are they? Go, go, go. Damn it. Okay. Hey, that's the first time we've died on a boss. Damn it. So the annoying thing about this boss is that you have to go into those little areas, but then you get caught up with the skeletons. I wonder if it's probably better to kill the skeletons first, because it takes a while for the mage to make them respawn.